city in over 30 years. And Wellingtonians were clearly enjoying it. And the surprise weather crept further north. The largest city, Auckland, known for its tropical climate, saw a smattering, and here in Inglewood, it was the talk of the town.
I've lived in this town for 54 years and I've never seen it like this before.
But the novelty in the North Island made for big problems in the south. Christchurch's earthquake-damaged inner city was shut down, the worst snowstorm in 50 years, making the area too dangerous. The rest of the city is struggling to cope.
We've had several hundred customers without power during the day. In the worst case, 500. If we get so long, we get a few others tripping out.
Flights were cancelled in Christchurch and Dunedin, and roads were closed across the South Island. Back in the capital, residents are being urged to stock up on emergency supplies. More snow is expected, and they may be trapped indoors.